What I have here is a new toy. I got a new tool that a close family friend gave me. A little mini chainsaw. Come with a chain on it. Come with 2 extra chains, 2 batteries, charger, few tools, this nice case, lubricating oil. I can't wait to try it out. I cut a few little limbs with it, but I'm gonna cut a tree with it. I know cutting a tree is not what it's made for, but I'm gonna try it out anyways. This is a pine tree, white pine tree. But beside that other trees you saw me cutting with the battery chainsaw. But we're gonna try this little battery chainsaw, little mini chainsaw. It's only got about a 4-inch blade on it. And this tree probably about 40 feet high, and I give a measurement on it once I cut it down. We're gonna see how well this little chainsaw works. Yeah, before you say it, I know I don't have on my safety gear, but I got this little chainsaw, and I can't wait to try it out. There you have it. Cut this tree down with this little mini chainsaw. That's about a 9-inch log right there. 9 inches. Shoot fire. That little mini chainsaw is handy. That's only a 4-inch blade on that. And they cut this 9-inch tree. So this video was for my baby brother, because he loves fishing, and he says he'd like to have a little chainsaw, cut little brushes down and stuff when he's going fishing. This is definitely a winner for anybody who would like to have a little mini chainsaw. I'm gonna cut the rest of this tree up, limbs, and cut the limbs off of it, and cut up and see how well the battery gonna last.